Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the filament on your FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M. As you can see, I made the DIY enclosure kit for my FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M, which requires additional components. Like this top piece of plexiglass must be removed. What you're going to want to do is pop the PFTE tube up, grab your little snippers, and just snip as clean as possible. And roll your filament back out, and then you're good. I'm gonna use brand new filament, which I've never tested out before. I've also only used FLASHFORGE filament on this printer, so this should be an interesting test run to see how Amazon Overture PLA holds up with the machine. I don't expect it to have any issues, but you never know with these. Now you're going to want to prepare this new spool filament. Run it through your connector back there. With the addition of the enclosure, some of these parts and components will look different, like this feeding in this tube and this drag chain. We're all in a different orientation when this printer first came out of the box from the factory. So if you haven't made the DIY enclosure, yours may look a little different, but it'll still follow the same process. Once you have this queued up, you're going to want to go on here, press there, choose PLA or whatever filament you're loading, which I'm loading PLA, and then you hit start. I already did these beforehand, so you don't really have to worry about that. And then it's going to preheat to 220. So now that the print has reached 220, it's going to start to unload the previous filament, and at which one point it'll stop or slow down. You want to insert the tube with our filament, and it'll automatically get going and start extruding into a new color, from black to white in this particular instance. It does unload a little bit more filament than I would like, but that's just something with the printer that we can't really change. If you have any issues unloading, or you don't load the PFTE tube with the new filament inside before this loading is finished, you can just hit again and it'll repeat the process and you can just load it up. But this is all set and done loading, and I can take this out now. So yeah, that's pretty much all for today's video. I hope that helped, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.